Parents, silence please.
My name is Anat Advait. I'm studying in LKG. My school name is My Charter School. My topic is discovery and time test. And now I explain different energies. Sunlight fall in the solar panel. Battery and energy light is the energy. My chemical energy. Battery and chemical start emits light and current and voltage. My chemical energy. Battery, motor and fan. My fan runs basic electricity. Good night energies. Firefly emits light eating food. Eating food is turned into light energy. Thank you.
Silence.
And salt and pour it water and turn into sugar.
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್. Wow, wonderful. A big round of applause, please. He's taking me in the same way. Advait is enjoying.